set the triggers or the flags on the trigger against the wind. What's up, guys? Well, since I last talked to you, I caught one perch. One yellow perch. Forgot to bring the camera with me when I ran over to the tip-off. I also forgot the bait bucket. And my little forceps. Thanks for getting hooks out of fish. But it's what it is. I'll show you the fish. It's right here. Ended up having to keep it because I didn't have the forceps and I couldn't get the hook on right. Yeah, the fish pretty much instantly froze with this wind. Little fish stick. Frozen solid. Maybe 10 minutes ago. Tried a little jigging. Seeing if I could pick up a walleye in about 17 feet of water on a slope, drop off to deep water. Shore is right back, maybe 80 yards. I'm not going to film it because I can see some people over there and I don't want to just be filming people's houses randomly. Just because. But I only got 3 tip-ups set up. The wind's died down a little bit. Actually, quite a bit. I'm not getting any wind flags anymore. So if I get a flag now, most likely going to be a fish. And I'm using for jigging. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I got a flag. Camera just got knocked over. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, the sun's messing me up. Hopefully this is a good fish. I don't think it's running at the moment. I'm trying to break the ice on the hole. I forgot my little scoop, of course. My sled. Okay. I'm going to set you guys down and we will see what the deal is here. Looks like it may have taken some line. Yeah, it took some line. Shoot. I wonder if that was an 24 feet of water here, and I got the shiner down at about 20 feet. Just in case there's any vegetation that the shiner might be able to hide in. I like to have them a little higher than right near the bottom. That way anything cruising the bottom, it's going to have a good chance of seeing it. Don't see any movement on the spool. You can see why I have knee pads. You can hear them crunching. That would be my knee caps if I didn't have these. Okay, let's see. Shiner's still there. There's teeth marks on it. That's a good sign. It could be a walleye. Just messing with it. Oh, it's right back. Whatever it is back. Got him that time. Whatever it is. Hey, it's another nice perch. Man, I might have to start keeping these. Another perch. He's hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, my shiner's still there. I might be able to salvage my shiner. Throw him back. Ooh, he's pretty messed up. He's pretty messed up. I don't know if I can save him. I don't think so. Okay. Alright, let's go back and try and do what I was doing originally, is cut that hole. See if anything else crazy happens here. It's nice out in the lake tonight. I can't stay out too much longer. If I get what I came for. Nice 20-inch walleye. They gotta be 18 to keep them. Alright, I'm gonna cut that hole. Talk to you guys soon. Straight up and down. Well, at least I got action out here. Let's see what we got. Can't tell if it's turning or not. It is not. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes it is. what happens. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Well, alright everyone, as you can see, I'm back at my house. Didn't catch any more fish. The last fish you saw me catch was the last fish that I caught. Got dark real quick, and my headlamp just wasn't cutting it. I couldn't see the tip ups, and yeah, didn't even get any more bites. So I fished for like maybe 15 more minutes after the last clip. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Didn't get skunked out in the ice, which is always good. Caught some fish. Didn't catch my target species, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But hopefully the ice holds out, and I'll be back out there trying to get a walleye. Alright guys, have a good night.